to make money right now online, then you are very wrong, because there are simple digital products that you can actually make and people are quietly making money with online. I mean, thousands of people, and most beginners are completely ignoring them. If I had to start again from zero, there are four digital products I'll focus on immediately. First digital products are ebooks. Ebooks are like PDFs. They are books that you can actually create easily. And right now, with the help of AI, you can actually create them so smoothly. All you just have to do is to prompt your AI, give it the idea, and it will create a good ebook that sounds exactly like you. That's how ebook works. I've made over 2,000 sales from selling just one ebook. And the most amazing thing about ebooks is that you do not really have to make 10 ebooks for 10 people. All you just have to do for digital products is just make one product for one person, and you can sell that one product to everybody online. That's how it works. You can actually create just one product for one person and sell it to as many persons that you can. Personally, for me, I've done over 2,000 sales. Some persons have done over 5,000, 10,000 sales, all with just selling ebooks. They are not selling courses, they are not selling coaching courses, they are not selling communities, they are just selling ebooks. And the second product I'll be talking about are mini courses. Mini courses are one of the best ways for you to make money. For some of you that cannot actually write, you do not want any of your knowledge to be in an ebook, and you love expressing yourself just like I am doing on this YouTube video, you can actually create mini courses. But one thing about mini courses that you should know is that a mini course is supposed to have at least 7 to 8 short videos that is passing a particular message to a particular people. So you should know the amount of time that you should put in a video. Let's say you have 7 videos in one mini course. All you just have to do is to make each video about 30 minutes or 25 minutes long, and you compile all of them together and you get your mini course. That's how to run a mini course. A mini course doesn't have to have 20 videos, because I mean, these persons that you are selling into, they do not even have a lot of time. They do not have the time and patience to watch such long videos. So your videos should be maximum 3 to 4 hours long. That's it. The total video should be about 3 to 4 hours long. That is how you should create your videos. And if you are someone that wants to actually start and you do not know how to create and sell a first digital product, I've put together a free step-by-step guide that teaches you how to create a digital product from scratch and also how to make sales. All you just have to do is to check the description on this YouTube video and you find all the links there. Now, the third product that we're going to be talking about is a template. God, I love templates so much because I've actually made a lot from selling templates. Now, this is what I do actually. I go to Canva, I create a template. It could just be about 7 or 8 pages or even 6. And I create those templates for people who have businesses and they pay me money. Most of the times, I also do it for myself. I create free templates for people that needs it, for real estate, for instance, templates for baking, templates for scheduling, and templates that can make your day go smoothly for your to-do list and all of that. These are templates that you can actually sell to people and you make shit loads of money, because templates do not require you to over stress for a long period of time. All you just have to do is go to Canva, edit already created templates and make money from it and sell it. That is how to create a template. And you can actually sell your products on Selar, there's Etsy, there's Amazon, and lots more. Personally, for me, I use Selar, Lenoflix, and Etsy. And the last product is a coaching or a community. Now, a coaching or a community simply means that you do not probably have a digital product, but what you do is that you have a circle of people that pays you monthly for you to teach them. So probably in a month you can be taking them twice, having a live class with them, having a question and answer section with them, teaching them everything that you know, pouring everything in your head that you know. That's actually a coaching or a community. So you are doing that to a lot of people once, instead of you to be doing it each. So let's say, for instance, for a coaching, you could actually tell somebody that this is your service, this is the kind of service. You tell them the service that you are currently giving to people, and when the person is interested, you coach the person. They pay you, you coach the person. But now, for a community, you have more than one person that is in that community. They pay you the same amount of money, and you teach them once instead of you teaching them each, taking them different section each. You take them the same sections together. That is the meaning of a community. And a community, you can be taking over 100 people every month. They tend to renew their payment or their subscription when it's down, and you are consistently getting money. There's a person who I know very well on YouTube. He doesn't sell anything. All he has is about 6,000 followers, and he makes a little over $20,000 monthly. How? Because the people in his coaching community are paying him a little over $200 monthly for him to coach them every Wednesday, and they are getting results. Because one thing I'll tell everybody is that it's not just for you to create products or give information, because information is currently oversaturated on the online space and even on YouTube. There are millions of YouTube channels that are currently giving information, but your ability for you to turn those information into a transformation that will be evident in their lives, in their finances, in their careers, it's what is really important. Now, here's the truth. Knowing how to create a digital product is not just all about having a product. Also, knowing how to sell is very important, because a lot of persons have digital products, but they're struggling so much with their sales. Now, I've created a sales course called the 10x Sales Blueprint that would guide you step by step on how to make your first 10 sales in any product that you are selling. All you just have to do is to check the description below and click on the link to get a copy of it. It's completely for free. And if you enjoyed this video, all I want you to do for me is to like this video and to subscribe to this video, because I'll be breaking down how to create these courses with AI step by step in my next video.